Hello and welcome to Forging Lasers. I bought my Glowforge laser cutter back in 2017, so it's been a couple of years, and I spent a long time trying to figure out how to use the laser cutter and selling my laser cut and engraved items online. I decided to create this new channel to share my lasering journey with people who currently have a Glowforge laser cutter or people who are considering buying a Glowforge laser cutter. I also want to share my experiences with owning an e-commerce store, specifically on Etsy, and producing products that actually sell online. For those of you who are considering creating a product-based business where you can customize items, I highly recommend getting a Glowforge for your e-commerce store. What I will be doing, I'll be sharing my experience as I create a brand new e-commerce store on Etsy, so you can see the whole process from start to finish, what it would look like if you owned your own shop online. In this channel, you'll learn everything you need to know about owning and using your very own Glowforge laser cutter. I'll be discussing all of the materials that I use for running my laser, as well as the suppliers that I get my materials from, specifically wood supplies and acrylic-based supplies. I will also take you step by step through projects that I have created for my Glowforge laser cutter, so you can create and develop your own products. I'm also planning on hosting live stream craft events so you all can see the Glowforge running in real time. In this channel, I'm also hoping to do monthly updates based on what Dan, the creator of the Glowforge, has brought forth. He usually gives out a monthly review and updates on new things that they're working on through Glowforge. So I'm planning on reviewing those monthly updates and giving you distilled versions of them, so you are kept in the loop about what's going on in the Glowforge front lines. And lastly, I'll be talking about the business side of owning a Glowforge. This includes what it takes to run a Glowforge, so all of the costs of materials, electricity, every cost of what it takes to run this Glowforge through a business side, a business lens side of things, along with creating an e-commerce store which you can then use to sell products from your home. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel for more Glowforge content. I'll try to post a video every Wednesday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and stay online so I can answer all of the comments that come in through that time. I hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.